So, to get OEM gaps on Mark's car, especially since we're running a Navin replica bumper, fiberglass, I'm gonna make these mount points on the fender. Usually there's just a screw here on OEM that goes into like a plastic little fitting that's on the fender. And lots of times the gap ends up bowing out or something underneath the fender. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld a nut on the fender, except I'm going to weld two of them. Just like one over here, and one close to this corner, so that this gap can be perfect on both sides. And whenever he hits something hard or something, it never like explodes out.
So it's day 3 now. I ended up leaving early last night and we finished doing old gaps. There'll be some minor tweaking after paint, but like this is pretty much final form. That's fender to front bumper on the left. That's the hood. The front grille to the lights and the hood. This gap is always big on S14s, that's just how it is. That's the other side of the hood. Other side. Honestly, this being a fiberglass bumper, Ruben did really well, and I'm stoked. But now, what are we doing? Modifying the rear bumper?
It's a fiberglass version of the Nismo bumper, and I need to modify the OEM brackets to fit in the holes that Victor already provided.
So now you guys are up to speed on how the car looks. We're going to finish mocking up the rest of the car. So Ruben has the rear bumper, the valence, and side skirts to throw on. Then we can pretty much drop the car on the ground. Then we can start doing the fender work. But for now, we're gonna finish fitting up the kit. So yeah, let's get to that. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I was not ready for this. This looks sick. I'm so stoked on this. Wow. This succeeded in like wildest strings. It's crazy. It looks so good. Look at it. Oh my. As you guys can tell, the full kit's on the car. I wish I could get better angles, but the lighting's kind of trash right now. The garage is pretty packed up, so like I can't really maneuver around the car. But I'm super stoked on how it looks. It looks really, really good. With the RG3s, it should look pretty wild, and I'm stoked. Yo, holy crap. It looks so damn good. Dude, this is such a good looking kit for S14. I'm blown away. It's so nice. It's so damn nice. It looks so good. Yo, nuts. Look at this. Oh my. Gives me goosebumps. Look how good that looks. And like, dude, this isn't even all of it. We want to get rid of the side markers, dump the front, go glass headlights. We already have the glass headlights, PCM clear front blinkers. Like, there's so much still to be done of like little details, but holy crap, this is nice. I am very happy with this. I'm honestly blown away. This is way better than I could have imagined. This looks so sick. This is so sick.
Damn! You didn't do the fenders?
No, not yet.
Not yet? Dude,
not yet.
Just...
No, that one's a little tight, but dude, from like the front.
Dude, the back is good though.
Everything is so good. This kit flows so well.
I think it's just
No, the back is like...
No, it's actually just a little bit wider than the original.
Oh, man.
So good. It looks so damn good.
Bring the wheel in.
So yeah, I think it's from an outro for the vlog because we're about to start doing fender work. And I'll see you guys next one. Peace.